You might be wondering if DHI is right for you, and that's direct hair implantation. My name is Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and I would say yes. In my practice since 2013, I have only done direct hair implantation to place every graft. I do not do the traditional way of creating surgical slits and then having technicians place the grafts. With direct hair implantation, the grafts are actually placed by me as a provider or in conjunction with my physician's assistants who are also medical providers and licensed to do this procedure. DHI is far superior, and there are so many reasons that you would want DHI over traditional ways of doing hair implantation. There's going to be easier healing, better accuracy, the ability to clean immediately after the procedure, and less swelling and pain. I also think, and this has been proven recently with some scientific studies, that the growth rate is faster with DHI placed follicles versus traditional. So if you're interested in DHI, and particularly what is called DHI FUE, which is follicular unit excision for the extraction of your grafts, with the grafts placed with DHI, call us at 678-845-7521 or visit our website at nahairrestoration.com.